Hello, travel lovers. Today, we're exploring the Doha Corniche, a breathtaking waterfront in Qatar. This beautiful place will capture your heart. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. The Doha Corniche is one of the most stunning places in the world. It's a place where beauty meets culture. With the sparkling Arabian Gulf on one side and the city's skyline on the other, the Corniche is a feast for the eyes. The Corniche stretches for 7 kilometers along the coast. That's a long way. You can walk, jog, or just relax. The Corniche is perfect for everyone. Imagine feeling the cool breeze on your face. Hear the gentle waves lapping against the shore. It's the perfect place to escape the city's hustle. Whether you're looking for a peaceful stroll or a fun-filled day, the Corniche has something for you. Get ready for a magical sunset experience. Head over to the Museum of Islamic Art Park. This spot offers breathtaking views. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of colors. From vibrant oranges to soft pinks, it's a sight you won't forget. Find a comfortable spot on the grass and soak in the beauty. Another fantastic spot to witness the sunset is the Pearl Monument. This iconic landmark holds a special place in Qatar's history. It represents the country's rich pearling past. Imagine this. You're standing in front of the Pearl Monument. The sky is ablaze with colors. The sun casts a warm glow on the monument. It's a picture-perfect moment. For a unique sunset experience, head to the Dhow harbor. Here, you can witness the traditional Dhow boats bobbing gently in the water. The setting sun casts a golden hue on the boats. It's a sight that transports you back in time. The Dhow harbor offers a glimpse into Qatar's maritime heritage and a stunning backdrop for a memorable sunset. The Corniche is not just about natural beauty, it's also home to cultural gems. The National Museum of Qatar and the Museum of Islamic Art are 2 must-visit landmarks. The National Museum of Qatar will take you on a journey through Qatar's history. The Museum of Islamic Art showcases a stunning collection of Islamic art and artifacts. These museums offer a glimpse into Qatar's rich culture and heritage. Setting sail. Dhow cruise at sunset. Looking for a truly Qatari experience? Then, a Dhow cruise at sunset is a must. Dhows are traditional wooden boats. Imagine this. You're sailing on a beautifully decorated dhow. The sun is setting, painting the sky with vibrant colors. The gentle breeze caresses your face as you enjoy the views of the Corniche and the city skyline. It's an experience that captures the essence of Qatar. These cruises are very affordable. It's the perfect way to experience the beauty of the Corniche and learn about Qatari culture. Evening delights. The Corniche comes alive. As the sun sets, the Corniche transforms into a vibrant hub of activity. Street performers entertain the crowds. Food stalls offer a tempting array of local snacks and drinks. Be sure to try karak tea, a popular Qatari drink. The Corniche comes alive with energy and excitement in the evenings. A reflection on the Doha Corniche. The Doha Corniche is more than just a waterfront. It's a place where locals and tourists come together. It's where you can experience the true spirit of Qatar. The Corniche embodies the perfect blend of tradition and modernity. It's a place where you can relax, explore, and create lasting memories. Conclusion. A must-visit destination. So, there you have it, my friends. The Doha Corniche is a must-visit destination. It offers breathtaking views, cultural experiences, and a taste of Qatari life. Whether you're strolling along the Corniche, watching the sunset, or enjoying a Dhow cruise, you're sure to be captivated by its beauty. Add the Doha Corniche to your travel bucket list and get ready for an unforgettable experience.